Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. Thank you so much dear children for your love and appreciation that I get through your comments. Thank you. Let's begin today's class. In today's class we will solve practice paper number 5. Yes, test paper number 5 given in total English, and we will solve question number 5A, B, C and D. It's given on page number 93 and 94. Let's begin today's class. Question number 5A. Fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. Do not copy the passage but write in correct serial order the word or phrase appropriate to the blank space. Let's start. Valentine's Day is a saga of sacrifice commemorated in honor of a hermit named Valentine. So much so, the name Valentine became a legend with the meaning lover. Sometime during the 3rd century AD, King Claudius had forced all able-bodied bachelors to join the Roman army. Since bachelorhood was the criterion, a hermit named Valentine secretly got several young men married to escape conscription. The king became wild at this and had Valentine executed before he caused further damage to the image of the army. In his death, Saint Valentine immortalized love between young people. So, the day of his death, 14th February, was observed as Valentine's Day year after year. Okay, I hope it is clear. Answers are written on the blackboard, children. You can see. So, the first one is commemorated, second is became, third is had forced, fourth is to join, fifth married, then executed, then immortalized, and the last one is was. Okay, you can see that passage is going on in the past tense. So as it is going in the past tense, so the most of the verbs which are given, that will be in the past. Okay, now let's begin exercise 5B. Fill in each blank with an appropriate word. So you have to fill in the appropriate word. So you should remember, in this you have to fill prepositions or phrasal verbs. That because this exercise is based on this, based on preposition and phrasal verbs. First sentence given is, she has to answer dash her absence. So she has to answer about her absence. Then your request is dash consideration. Your request is under consideration. Third one, the aeroplane flew dash the clouds. The aeroplane flew above the clouds. Fourth, the police resorted to lathi charge dash extreme provocation. So the police resorted to lathi charge under extreme provocation, or you can write as after extreme provocation. Then fifth is, the godown is infested dash rats. The godown is infested with rats. Next one, that is infested with rat, that is filled with rats. Sixth, she jumped dash the first job offer. She jumped at the first job offer. Okay, that is the job offer which came to her. She grabbed it at her first chance. Then seventh, the police descended dash the den of pickpockets. The police descended against the den of pickpockets. Last one, he disliked being excluded dash the school football team. He disliked being excluded from the school football team. Okay, answers are written on the blackboard, children, for you. First one is about, then under, third is above, fourth one after and under, any one of these two. Fifth is with, sixth is at, seven against, and the last one is from. Okay, now let's move to exercise C. Join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but, so. Okay, these three conjunctions we don't have to use to join the sentences given. Now first one is, Jitu is very ill, he cannot play football. So very simple, this type of question we have done earlier also. So what could be there? That is, Jitu is too ill to play football. That is, we can join it using TOO. Okay, or you can also write it as, Jitu cannot football because he is very ill. That is, adverb clause of reason also you can give. Use of because, since, or as. That is, you can write it using since in this way, that since Jitu is very ill, comma, he cannot play football. Okay. Now, second one, Amit is a clever boy, the other boys are not so clever. Okay. So, how to join this? This is from degrees. The other boys are not as clever as Amit. Okay. The other boys are not as clever as Amit. Third one, is that bus big? Can it take all my friends? Then you can join it in this way, that is that bus big enough to take all my friends? And then question mark. I repeat, that is that bus big enough to take all my friends? And question mark. Fourth one, you see, Neeta was a clever student. I had never taught a more clever student. Again, this is from degrees. So what is given? Neeta was a clever student and I had never taught a more clever student. So you can write it in one sentence in this way. Neeta was the cleverest student I had ever taught. Okay, Neeta was the cleverest student I had ever taught. So you can write it in superlative form. Now exercise D, do as directed. Rewrite the following sentences according to the instruction given after each. Make other changes that may be necessary but do not change the meaning of each sentence. In this you have to keep in mind that after transformation also meaning of the sentence should remain same. Understood? So the first question given is, it does not matter if we reach there late. You have to begin with what. So how you can write? What does it matter if we reach there late? And question mark. Okay. So what does it matter if we reach there late? Question mark. Then second one, this is the best car I have seen. So you have to begin with, I have not seen any car better than this. Okay. It is given in superlative and it will be changed into comparative. Okay. So I have not seen any car better than this. Question number third, do not be proud and you will be happy. So very simple. So you have to begin with if. If you don't feel proud, comma, you will be happy. If you don't feel proud, comma, you will be happy. So this is from conditional one type. So conditional one type sentences you have learnt in class 9th, children. What is it? That is, in this subordinate clause begins with if and it is in present followed by future tense. Then question number 4. Does anyone like paying a fine? It is given in interrogative and you have to begin with no one. No one likes paying a fine. Okay, no one likes paying a fine. Then question number 5. So this type of sentence you have read in interchange of the sentences. Question number 5. She is not only a good actor but also an excellent singer. You have to begin with besides being. So besides being a good actor, she is also an excellent singer. I repeat, besides being a good actor, comma, she is also an excellent singer. Then question number 6. I haven't been home for at least 10 years. Okay, I repeat the question. I haven't been home for at least 10 years. And you have to begin your answer with the last time. The last time I went my home was nearly 10 years ago. Okay, I repeat that the last time I went my home was nearly 10 years ago. Then question number 7. The captain was the last one to leave the ship. You have to begin with nobody. So nobody but the captain was the last one to leave the ship. Okay, nobody but the captain was the last one to leave the ship. Question number 8. Do not go away until I return. And you have to use as long as in your answer. So as long as I don't come back, comma, don't leave. Okay, as long as I don't come back, comma, don't leave. Or you can write as long as I don't return, comma, don't leave, and full stop. I hope answers are clear to you, students. See you in the next video. Bye bye.